You and the Prime Minister have been saying for a few weeks that the rule henceforth, the rule is remote work, working from home. For most people. What's the percentage? What, 50% of the time, 90%, 100% of the time working from home? And the private sector, you can't step in there. But then there's the government employees. What are you saying to the government employees? Should they be working from home? I'm not putting it that way, really. First of all, working, whether you're talking about working in a company or in a government, municipal service, an association, what have you. You're working in a group, wherever you work. There's a group of people. Working from home, that's one thing you can use intelligently. It's a good tool. It's something that you can really use appropriately. If it's a national rule, well, we had to do it during lockdown. But now, sometimes it makes people feel isolated. Working from home, to be frank. If you've got a second house outside of the town and it's very pleasant, it's nice to work from home. But if you've got a small apartment and you've got your children at home and you're all confined together, it becomes really tough working from home. Plus, you need to be able to talk with your co-workers. So you've got to show common sense. We need the businesses to operate properly. They need to have people at work, at the job. We need to have government services that are open, post offices that are all open.
They won't close again.
We need to have teachers in schools and so forth. So yes, everyone has to be present as much as possible. But whenever possible, when it's possible, if you're in an office that doesn't receive the public, or if you're in a business where it's possible, then yes, to the degree possible, and it seems to be negotiated at the ground level, we would ask people, when it's a job where it makes sense, to spend 2-3 days of work a week working from home, because this reduces overall movement of people. We've got to do this with common sense. It's no silver bullet. It has to be negotiated as well. Social partners are right in emphasizing it. It has to be negotiated at the business level. We have to realize we're all together in this. We have to be successful, manage to reduce our contacts that aren't necessary, sometimes partying contacts, but continue to have social lives nonetheless. At work, we protect ourselves with masks and so forth. At school, at the university and high schools, going to associations. That's what life's all about, too.